Meta AI has introduced this new method which is called as instruction back translation. Instruction back translation automatically labels and curates text for language model fine tuning. While it does that, it also outperforms other Llama-based models. There are three steps to this method. In the first step, we are using the Llama-based models. Instructions are self-generated from web documents in this first step. And then in the second step, we have quality control, where Llama self-curates high-quality prompts from generated candidates. In the third and final step, the model fine-tuning is done, which means that the newly curated instructions are used to fine-tune a more robust model. Now, the objective of this paper, which is this, and I will share the link in video description, is to develop a scalable method for building a high quality instruction following language model by automatically labeling human written text with corresponding instructions, referred to as instruction back translation. They have used quite a novel methodology in this method where they have been fine tuning this initial model, which is again the llama based model, on a small amount of seed data. Using this model to generate instruction prompts or self augmentation, in other words, on unlabeled data. And then this is how they are selecting the best examples, or in other words, self curation and fine tuning on them. And the beauty of this method is that this can be iterated as many times as you wish if you want further improvement. One of the examples which they have done with this method is called as Humpback model, which is created using this method. And this Humpback model outperforms all other llama-based models on the alpaca leaderboard that don't rely on distillation data. So I hope that you found it interesting. If you have any question, please ask it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.